Hi everyone, it's Denise Reed and welcome back to my channel, Bramble Reed. So this week we are going to not be making the pumpkin because we did that last week, but we're going to be making the papier-mâché DIY pumpkin bottom. And this is really cool. I love it. I think it's so nice. These papier-mâché pumpkins are made out of papier-mâché clay, or it can be made out of the papier-mâché newspaper or papier-mâché toilet paper. For the best creative DIY and fashion content, subscribe to my channel. Be sure to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a post every Tuesday. I have a Facebook page that is dedicated to DIY crafts and fashion that you're able to join. Now it's your turn. This week, we're gonna make the bottom half of this. I wanted half of a pumpkin, but then I wanted to have it so that you're able to remove it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first take this portion and I'm going to make it for my bottom half, and I'm only going to do half of it. So for me to actually be able to do this, I'm going to have to turn this over because I've already made the stem. So I'm putting it in a grid and I'm putting it down. Then I'm going to take this portion and I'm going to put it like this because I need to line up my marks. I want this portion to have papier-mâché and this portion here clear. So I'm just going to do this all the way around. I was gonna do this on here. I've decided I'm not going to. So what I did was I taped off where I want my mache to come up, and then I'm gonna take it off and do it without. This is the morning for the pumpkin bottom, and I was too eager. I went and I took it apart because I wanted to actually see if it was gonna work and also if these parts were gonna line up. They don't line up exactly, but it actually looks really cool. So if you're doing it, trust the process, leave it alone. So now I have to fix the pieces that broke. It broke here also. But one thing that I was concerned about is that I wanted it so that the piece was more like, you see the curve there? I wanted it out more. So I think when you're doing it, instead of doing your pieces like that, put aluminum foil or even wrap something so that it will go out more. So it will be like that more. Can you see that? So it sticks out more like that. You want it higher, you want it flat, and so that when it turns over, the pieces go like this. But it looks really nice. So yeah, you see, look, I ruined it. I'm just gonna go and fix it because it is an easy fix. And yeah, we'll see what it looks like when it's completed. This is done. And I think it's cool. I actually left it extremely rough. I don't know why. It could be also because it's fall and things are changing, but I didn't sand it. I didn't put any glaze on it. It just looks very rough. I also made the joints the different colors so you can see it. Now, one thing that I would do is my pumpkin is this short. I intend on making it this short so that when you put it on, it comes down to there. You see what I mean? But I left it because I liked the look of it when it had the candle in it. So the other thing that I would have done is I was testing out the look. You see the way this curves? All of them should have such a dramatic curve so that it kind of squashes it down. But other than that, it's really cool. It's very lightweight. The texture is very rough, and you can put your candle inside and leave it like that. You can take one of the bigger ones of this, put it inside. You can put this on top. So guys, I also tried to coordinate these grooves so that they matched all the way down. So you can do that too. But this looks cool for a fall DIY decorative tablescape. And I'm gonna leave it like this with my other pumpkin on the opposite side. We're gonna try and make some leaves or some corns or something to kind of complement this. Now that you know how to make the paper mache pumpkin DIY, I have written a guideline on different designing platforms that will help you take your creative juices out of your head and put them on a digital platform. I have included a list of tutorials that will help you understand these platforms better. You can download the guide in the link in the description box. Also, I do have that Facebook page where you're able to upload different DIY, fashion, and craft contents. You can check out the link in the description box. Check out these videos next on paper mache lamps, so let your light shine, and my paper mache plates, high-end decor, and my upcoming video on the paper mache piggy bank. If you like this video, hit that like button, be sure to subscribe, and share the content with your family and friends.